How to best catch an Uber from Cairo International Airport. So if you want to order an Uber from here, go to the far right of the building.
And we are on the free shuttle bus.
If you land in Terminal 3, you'll just come out of the entrance here, cross the street. It was madness, so there was a lot of vehicles everywhere. People trying to pick you up that are not yours. Good afternoon from Egypt. My name's Gisselle. I've been living in Cairo for nearly 5 years. I have hundreds of videos about life here in Egypt, and today I'm going to be explaining how to best catch an Uber from Cairo International Airport. Yalla bina. So I'm in an Uber right now heading to Cairo International Airport, and while we're on the ride there, I want to explain a few things about the airport.
There are 3 different terminals at Cairo International. The first is Terminal 1, locally referred to as the Old Airport, which is a bit further away from Terminal 2 and 3, but there is a free train as well as a free shuttle bus, which runs between all 3 terminals. Then there is Terminal 2, and lastly, Terminal 3. We will be stopping at all 3 terminals in this video.
Now, if you've watched my last video about taxis in Egypt, then you already know that it's better to order a taxi through an app like Uber, InDrive, Kareem, or Didi versus getting the street taxis. If you haven't seen that video, you definitely need to watch it. There's a lot of helpful information, and you can watch that up here somewhere. I'll also leave a link to it in the description of the video and in the comment section. But yeah, once we get to the airport, I'm going to be showing all 3 terminals. And for the sake of the video, I'm really going to be just ordering Uber. So we're gonna get to the airport, I'm gonna order an Uber and show leaving and where to catch the Ubers, because there are designated areas where you need to go to catch them. And it can be a little bit difficult as well to catch your ride for the driver to find you. So we're gonna be exploring all of that once we get to the airport. See you soon. Okay, so I am here outside Terminal 1. And here it's relatively easy to catch an Uber or any other taxi app. You just leave out the front doors, the entrance there, arrivals and departures, and the parking lot is just right across the street. So very easy to catch an Uber here. And then if you are trying to get to the other terminals, you do have a free train up there, which will take you to Terminal 2 and 3. And then you also have a free shuttle bus as well, although I've never tried taking that. So maybe I'll try doing that today. So let's head to Terminal 2 and to Terminal 3.
And we are on the free shuttle bus. That was actually very simple to find. I just asked an attendant outside of Terminal 1 and they pointed it out to me. It's just to the right of the building though. So whether it's departures or arrivals, just walk to your right and there's a bus stand there. You'll probably see people waiting. It runs every 5 minutes or so. And yeah, it goes to Terminal 2 and 3 and then back to 1. So that's where we are heading now, to Terminal 2, and I'll show you more of that. But you can also take the train, like I said. If you just walk over to the train, elevated train, there's an elevator that'll take you up. I'm not going to be showing that in this video, but it's very simple to use. And there's staff around at the airports that you can ask if you need help with anything. Now, while we're riding there, I thought I would mention very briefly, for those of you that are planning trips to Egypt and perhaps looking for assistance with your trip, planning it, tour guides, drivers, all of that jazz. My husband and I do help organize trips for visitors. You know, I've been living here for 5 years. My husband's Egyptian. We want people to have a great time here in Egypt, obviously. So yeah, we help with these services. So if you're looking assistance with anything like that, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. I always leave that number in the description of my videos, as well as pinned in the top comments. So yeah, anyways, on to Terminal 2 here. I'll see you guys soon.
Okay guys, I have just gotten off the shuttle bus at the Terminal 2 station, which is that little hut over there. And then Terminal 3 is over there. I'm gonna go to Terminal 3 after though, but the shuttle bus does stop at Terminal 3 first and then Terminal 2. And then you have to, I almost missed it actually. I didn't make an announcement, or at least I didn't hear it. So just pay attention to that map while you're going. And then Terminal 2 is just up here. So you'll get off the shuttle, walk over this way, up this hill. We are now at Terminal 2. I'm just sitting at a little cafe here, Sega Frido. But yeah, there's some construction happening here. That's normally, there's not this blue wall, but you have seating area over here, the arrivals over here, and then behind me is the departure. But it's not a huge area, like it's down there and then it just goes over this way. So this is the building. If you're arriving into Egypt, you just start down there. And this is the length of the building. All the way up. There's a little kid that just ran into me. But yeah, and then that's the length of the building. So if you want to order an Uber from here, you can. It used to be more difficult in the past, but they've, I guess, since updated Uber at least. So what you're going to do if you're coming out from arrivals is go to the far right of the building, and that is where you'll catch your Uber. And if you're ordering Uber, you'll select your vehicle first, and then it will ask you for your pickup location, and you just need to scroll down to the nearest location near you. More than likely, though, it's going to be at the far end of the building on the right when you walk out. So that's good. I did not know that they had updated that. So if you're looking for an Uber out of Cairo Airport and into the city center, that's the way to do it. And if you're waiting for someone, you can have like a coffee here at this cafe. Now let's head down to Terminal 3 and see what the situation's like over there. But yeah, once this construction is open up, then you can see the departures location. But it's different, obviously. If you're ordering an Uber from the city center to get dropped off at the airport, then it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so down that way is where you would get your Uber. All right, I'm gonna head down to Terminal 3. That guy's like, get out of my way. Yeah, so this, just by the gate 6 here, that's where you're gonna catch your Uber. And then they have this multi-story garage. I don't really know what that is, but anyways, over here. And then Terminal 3 is just down this way if you're leaving Terminal 2. They have a restaurant and cafe over here. It's a short walk down to Terminal 3, so you don't need any transportation for that. There's the bus stop once again where we came in. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but yeah. And then this is Terminal 3 with the other Skyway area. Okay, so this is Terminal 2 station bus stop where the bus is coming from this direction. It'll stop and you can just walk up to Terminal 2 or Terminal 3. It stops a little bit earlier just on the other end there. So if you land in Terminal 3, you'll just come out of the entrance here and cross the street and just go down into this parking lot. And they have stairs, they have a ramp, and that is where you'll catch an Uber if you're leaving from Terminal 3. Back in the day, it's actually really quiet and more organized out here. It used to be so much more chaotic. I mean, it is summer and it's like in the middle of the day. I think evenings tend to be a little bit more chaotic. Winter time is when a lot of travelers are coming to Egypt, so it's busier. But it generally feels a lot more quiet and organized out here, which is great because it used to be a lot more chaotic of an experience. And I will say down here, okay, so you have the steps that lead down to the parking lot. I'm gonna walk down a little bit further. But yeah, down there is where you'll catch an Uber, and it can be a little bit more complicated to catch an Uber depending on if you know how to read the numbers and all of that of the license plate, but I do talk about that in my taxi video as well. So definitely watch that, especially if you're taking Ubers around the city once you're actually in Egypt outside of the airport, because it can be kind of complicated to find them. But okay, we are now approaching the ramp and where I normally exit from this area. And there's even elevators or a very long ramp. I don't want to take the ramp though, so let's take the stairs. And then all right. So this is I don't know, that guy talking to me. Yeah, so this is where you'll catch an Uber or any other taxi app. You have to come down here to get picked up. Everything looks a bit different since the last time I was here, so maybe because it's like a lot more organized and like quiet, it's easier for an Uber to find you. But before, it was madness. So there was a lot of vehicles everywhere. People are trying to pick you up that are not yours. You'll have people still asking if you need a taxi. You can also, when you're exiting, actually come from down there and then just come out. You got departures and arrivals and like an underpass that leads directly into the building if you don't want to come out from the top. Elevators, that just goes up to the street. But yeah, so this is where you're going to want to order in a taxi. I was actually going to tell you guys to like order it by this cafe over here, but I don't know, maybe it's actually fine to just order one from here because it doesn't look like it would be too messy. Anyways, if you are wondering about ordering it, if it is chaotic when you come out here, if you go to this little like cart truck cafe here, it might be easier for them to find you if they know they're coming to Terminal 3. Just tell them like, I'm by the cafe. What is the name of the cafe? Let's go find out. Oh, it's Abu Af. They sell like nuts and stuff like that. It's a chain. Anyways, yeah, Abu Af. So you can just tell them that, like, oh, I ordered an Uber. Where are you? Just say Abu Af, you know. Anyways, all right. So, I mean, that's basically it. I'm going to order an Uber. We'll see if it's hard for them to come and find me. I don't think so, though. I am going to order one by where we just came out down the stairs here in the parking lot, just to see if it's a little bit more complicated or not. It looks like it's going to be easy, though. Any other time I've come through Cairo in the past, into the airport when I'm coming back from a trip or something, obviously I live here, it's pretty chaotic. So this is the calmest I've ever seen it. All right, I'm gonna order an Uber from here. Let's see. I think it's gonna be easy for them to find me though. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but when you order it from Terminal 3, there's just one option, which is, like I said, the parking lot. And, oh, it does seem like it's trying to send me over to a certain location. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm moving the pin here to where I'm standing, and it reroutes me to by Starbucks. Where is Starbucks? I thought Starbucks was up there. That's interesting. Wow, okay, let's see if this works, guys. Abu Af is just over there. If you come down the ramp and the stairs where I told you before, I ordered it there, but it's telling me there's only one option. It says to meet in the parking lot, but then when you click on it, it actually says to meet at B5 sign. And there's a lot of different signs here, Bay B6, Bay B5. So I guess I should probably be meeting them at this location over here. I'll take a screenshot so that you can see what Uber told me. But yeah, I think they might actually pick me up here. It never used to be so clear as now. So we are now by Bay B5. And let's see if it works. Because it shows that you're getting picked up at Starbucks, but then no, that's up there, I'm down here, so we'll see. All right, I'm in my Uber, but you know what? He found me. Thankfully, it's not busy because I was just standing out there by B5. I should have filmed before I crossed, but these little barriers here, he wasn't able to enter from that area, so I needed to cross the street and go a little bit past the airport here. Still in the parking lot, but if I'd crossed the street and not stood by B5, but rather by Bay A5, that's where he came from. Anyways, still a lot less complicated than it used to be. I don't know if it's just because it's quiet or if they've improved the system or what. But anyways, that's how you catch an Uber out of here. Like even me, who have been living here for years and have been through this airport a lot of times, you know, I was in the area where it says to get picked up, but then he wasn't able to enter through there. So, but anyways, it does seem a lot more organized than it used to be. So that's it. I hope this has been helpful. At least it's given you a layout of the airport and the new system apparently, which makes it seems like it's more organized than it used to be. So if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big like. Subscribe if you haven't. I have a lot other videos that are helpful for your trip here, whether that's great restaurant recommendations, both street, local, and like fine dining, a few motorcycle rides around the country, ancient sites, and then, you know, videos about the microbuses and some scams. Yeah, a lot of different topics. So anyways, I'm gonna head home now. How much was this Uber? I will let you know at the end of the ride. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. Ma salama.